Okay, so atin namang talakayin kung paano ba mag-add at mag-subtract ng dissimilar fraction. Kung sa pag-a-add at pag-subtract ng similar fraction ay napakadali, you're going to add only the numerator and copy the denominator. Ngayon, paano naman tayo mag-add at mag-subtract ng dissimilar fraction? So alam natin na ang dissimilar fraction ay magkaiba ang denominator. Okay? So, first example, meron tayong 4 over 6 plus 3 over 12. So, they have different denominator. So, dissimilar fraction sila. So, ano muna ang ating gagawin? Una, kukunin natin ang least common denominator. Okay? So, find the LCD, least common denominator. So, gagamit tayo ng LCM, least common multiple. Katulad ng dati, kung paano natin kinukuha ang multiple ng isang number. So, yun ang gagamitin natin. Sa module nyo, ang ginamit dyan kung paano magkuha ng LCD ay gumamit ng division. Okay? Division siya. So, ngayon, para mas madali sa inyo, gagamit tayo ng LCM. Kukunin lang natin ang multiple ng dalawang denominator. So, ganito yon. Okay? So, yung 6, okay? So, 6, first denominator natin siya. Ang LCM niya or yung multiple niya is 6, 12, and 18. Right? The next, yung 12, the second denominator. 12 at 24. Now, we are going to find the LCM. Okay, so what is the least common multiple? Okay, so the least common multiple is 12. Okay, 12. So, yung 12 ang pinakamababang multiple na meron si 6 at si 12. So, ngayon, kung ano yung nakuha yung LCM, yun na yung gagamitin yung denominator. Okay, so meron tayong 12. Ngayon, yan na ang ating magiging denominator. Yan, sa baba. So, dalawa na ang ating denominator. So, parehas na ang kanilang magiging denominator. Ngayon, paano natin sila malalagyan ng numerator? So, you are going to divide and multiply. You're going to divide the new denominator sa lumang denominator at imumultiply sa numerator. Okay? So, paano gawin? 12 divided by 6 times 4. Okay? So, ayan, una natin. 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Okay? So, yun ang ilalagay natin dito. Ayan. So, dito yan ha. Ito munang unang fraction. 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Okay? Then next, dito naman tayo. 12 divided by 12 is 1. Times 3 is 3. Again, 12 divided by 12 is 1 times 3 is equal to 3. So, 3. Okay? So, napakadali lang. Divide the new denominator to old denominator and multiply to numerator. Okay? Yan. So, meron na tayong numerator at meron na tayong denominator. So, since na parehas na ang denominator nila, they are similar fraction, madaling-madali na lang ang ating gagawin. You simply add the numerator, 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Then, copy the denominator, which is 12. Okay? So, that is adding dissimilar fraction. Another example. Okay. So, we have 3 over 4 plus 2/3. Okay? So since they are dissimilar fraction, we are going to find first the LCD using the LCM. Okay? So ang ating denominator ay 4 at 3. So find natin yung least common multiple ng 4 at 3. So tignan natin yung 4. Okay, so 4, 8, 12, and 16. Then yung 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So what is the LCM or LCD? Okay, so we have pinakamababa na parehas na meron ang 4 at 3 ay ang 12. Okay, so again, gagamitin natin ang 12 as the new denominator. Okay? Ayan. So 12 plus, yan. So meron na tayong bagong denominator. Saan galing ang bagong denominator? Dito po yan. Kinuha natin yung LCD ng 4 at 3. Okay, so divide na tayo. You're going to divide 12 divided by 4 is 3. Times 3 is 9. Tama? 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So that is the answer here. Okay, so 9. Next, dito naman tayo sa pangalawa. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Correct? Ayan. So, sinusulat ko dito kung paano gawin. So, the answer here is 8. Ayan. So, napakasimple lang pag nakuha nyo na yung numerator. Again, since they are already a similar fraction, 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. Then, copy the denominator, which is 12. Now, our answer is 17 over 12. 17 over 12 is improper fraction. Pag improper fraction ang magiging sagot nyo, you are going to convert that to mixed number. So, i-divide nyo silang dalawa para maging mixed number siya. Okay? So, parehas nung topic natin last time, paano mag-convert ng improper fraction to mixed number. So, i-divide lamang po natin sila. So, ito yon. So, yung 17 magiging dividend at yung divisor ay 12. Okay? So, 17 divided by 12 is 1. 1 times 12 is 12. Then, 17 minus 12 is 5. So, ayan. So, hindi na kaya i-divide si 12 kay 5, so that is, stop na tayo. So, paano natin siya again isusulat into mixed number? So, since our answer is 1, that is a whole number. Okay, 1. Then, ang remainder is 5, that is a numerator, and the denominator. Katulad pa rin ng dati yung denominator. So, as you can see, 1 and 5 over 12. 5 and 12, hindi na siya pwede kunin yung least common or lowest term nila. Okay? So, the final answer of 3/4 plus 2/3 is 1 and 5, 12. Okay? Napakasimple lang. Find the LCD using the LCM, then divide it to all denominator and multiply to numerator. Okay? Another example. Let's say we have 2/3 plus 4, 9. Okay? 4 over 9. Again, ano yung gagawin natin? Let us find the LCD or LCM of 3 and 9. Yan, 3, 6, 9, 12. And 9, 18, and 27. Now, what is the LCM or LCD? Okay, so we have 9. So, that is least common denominator or least common multiple ng 3 and 9. So, ano ang gagawin kay 9? Siya na yung magiging denominator natin. Okay? Yan. So, yan na ang dalawang denominator natin. Parehas na silang denominator. Next, ano ang susunod? I-divide na natin to dito sa dalawa. Okay, 1 by 1 tayo. 9 divided by 3 is 3 times 2 is 6. Tama? So, the answer here is 6. Okay, next. 9 divided by 9 is 1 times 4 is 4. So, the answer here is 4. Okay? Next, ano susunod? Let us add. So, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Then, copy the denominator. So, again, we have an answer of 10 over 9. Okay? So, that is improper fraction. I-convert natin into mixed number. So, ano na naman ang gagawin natin para maging mixed number? So, we are going to divide. So, 10 ang dividend, 9 ang divisor. Okay? So, 10 divided by 9 is 1. 1 times 9 is 9. And 10 minus 9 is 1. Okay? So, the answer is 1. So, that is our whole number. And our numerator is 1. And our denominator is 9. Okay. So, the final answer of 2/3 plus 4 over 9 is 1 and 1 over 9. Very simple. Next, subtraction of dissimilar fraction. Sa subtraction, parehas lang ang process sa adding ng dissimilar fraction. Ang pinagkaiba lang is magma-minus kayo. Pero the same process. Okay? So, meron tayo ditong 5 over 6 minus 1/3. Okay, again, we are going to find the LCM or the LCD ng 6 and 3 para maging parehas ang denominator nila. Okay, so 3, 6, 9, 12. Then 6, 12, and 18. Now, what is the LCD of the two? Okay, so we have 6. Ngayon, gagamitin natin as a denominator ang 6. Ayan. So, yan. Ngayon, so since we have the same denominator, let us divide. 6 divided by 6 is 1 times 5 is 5. So, the answer here is 5. Next, dito na tayo. 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 1 is 2. Okay? So, napakadali lang. Basta marunong kayo mag-divide at mag-multiply. Okay. Next, let us subtract. Again, the same lang. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Right? And then, copy the denominator, which is 6. Ngayon, so we have an answer of 3 over 6. So, may nakikita kayong divide. Okay? So, meaning, 3 over 6, meron pa siyang lowest term. Okay? So, saan natin pwedeng i-divide si 3 and 6? Para makuha natin ang lowest term? Sa 3. Okay? So, 3 divided by 3, etong dalawa, yung numerator, equals 1. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. So, the answer is 1/2. So, pag ang sagot nyo, pwede pang i-lowest term nyo. Okay? Kung pwede pa siyang i-divide yung numerator at denominator. So, the answer of 5 minus 6 minus 1 over 3 is equal to 1/2. Okay? Again, next example. Yan. 4 over 6 minus 15 over 24. Again, the same process. Let us find the least common denominator using the LCM. So, yung 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Next, yung 24, 24 at 48. So, nakikita nyo naman, our LCD is 24. Pinakamababang multiple ng 6 and 24. Now, our denominator, our new denominator is 24. Okay? So, ayan. So, again, we are going to divide and multiply. So, 24 divided by 6 is 4 times 4 is 16. Okay? And then next, 24 divided by 24 is 1 times 15 is 15. Okay? So yan, meron na tayong 16 over 24 minus 15 over 24. So they are already a similar fraction. So again, i-minus na lang natin ang numerator. So 16 minus 15 is equal to 1. And copy the denominator, which is 24. Now, 4 over 6 minus 15 over 24 is equal to 1 over 24. So this is the final answer. Wala na siyang lowest term. Another example, last example. We have 3 over 6 minus 4 over 18. Let us find the LCD ng 6 at 18. Okay, 6, 12, 18, 24, 18, 36. So what is the lowest term or LCD or the LCM? We have 18. Okay, so we are going to use 18 as the denominator. Yan. So again, let us divide and multiply. 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Okay, next, 18 divided by 18 is 1 times 4 is 4. Okay, so ayan, so meron na tayong 9 over 18 minus 4 over 18. So that is already a similar fraction. Ngayon, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. At copy the denominator, which is 18. So 5 over 18, meron pa ba siyang lowest term? Okay, so wala na. So 3 over 6 minus 4 over 18 is equal to 5 over 18. Okay, so that is the end of adding and subtracting dissimilar fraction.